Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a 1, 2, 3. Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin pulling back, Ethereum pulling back. We're going to jump into technicals, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and look at the overall market. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. Right now, total market cap pulling back. You can see that we've been climbing this trend line. Let's go into Bitcoin. The market pretty red right now. TON is down 2%. ETH is up 1%. Uni, green, everything else slightly in the red, even the tech stocks. Bitcoin 112,137. On the daily, we're still in this rising wedge. It still broke down and trying to get back in, but it is falling out of this rising wedge. If it plays out, we've got strong supports at 110, 108, 102. And the major support at 93. Hopefully this rising wedge doesn't play out. It would not be nice. It's a huge drop we're talking to come down so far. 84k. Let's go into the weekly. On the weekly, we're still making higher highs, higher lows. We are having a bit of a pullback, but right now it's still higher highs, higher lows. Crypto Guru Bot is still a blue buy, which it fired at 20k. Bitcoin Indicator Bot fired a sell 5 weeks ago. Stochastic is coming down. On the daily, stochastic is fully reset. And as I've shown before, if you just follow the stochastics on the above the dotted line, overbought, below the dotted line, oversold. So right now, oversold. Look where it was oversold before. Oversold, it was the bottom on the price. Look up here. So when I show you down on the stochastic, look here. So watch this. So you can see down the bottom on the stochastic, oversold. Down the bottom on the stochastic, oversold. It was the bottom of that pump. Before the pump, down here, oversold at 75k. Down here, oversold at 75k. You can see where it's oversold on the stochastic. So right now, according to the stochastic, it's time to buy. But this bigger pattern is a bit worrying. We have supports at 110, 108. I would say major is at 106 is a major one. On the 4 hourly, we are breaking down. This does look like an Adam and Eve pattern, which is a bearish one. Major support, I would say here we've got a strong one. We're forming 108. So I've got buy orders down, but it could just keep in mind it's not so beautiful. My Ethereum trade got a bounce, 3,900. Bitcoin just now pulled back a little bit. So you can see it got a bit of a bounce. I've been picking it up at around 112, came to 114, came down to 112, lower high. Not so beautiful. Looks like a little head and shoulders on the hourly, you see? Shoulder, head, shoulder. And then we've got this Adam and Eve pattern. So it does look like we could get a breakdown of Bitcoin. Let's go closer onto the hourly. Little head and shoulders on the hourly, you see it? Looks like we're going to have a drop to 110. Not so beautiful. Could close positions, but my Bitcoin trade was just in the positive. To close now when it went back into the negative, not so beautiful. Just a few minutes ago, about 1 hour ago, we were at 113. Now pull back 1k. I've got more buy orders down at 111, 110, 110, 105. I'm deciding whether to buy here or not, or to close. On the 4 hourly, bearish. On the daily, bearish, rising wedge. Looks like it's breaking down. On the weekly, higher highs, higher lows. New highs coming. But this bigger pattern is worrisome. Crypto Guru Bot is also saying sell, but Bitcoin Indicator Bot not. Stochastic is turning red. RSI is turning down. Same with the stochastic. It's all turning down. Difficult one. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Should I close? What do you think based off this? I've got buy orders down. I could just hold them and buy more, but I could close it and buy if it pulls back to 110. But then might miss the pump. And it's already down from the recent all-time high. It's down already 10% Bitcoin. Let's look at more patterns. Let's look at Ethereum quickly. Total market cap 3.7 trillion. Same pattern on total market cap. A little bit different, but you can see the main trend line. It could break down here. 3.5 trillion. But overbought, all the stochastics, they're all oversold now, even on the total market cap. You can see it's oversold on the stochastic and the RSI. Starting to be on the RSI, not so much. On the stochastic already. Let's look at Ethereum. 4,200 Ethereum had a little bit of a pump. Looks like a huge bull flag on Ethereum. Who saw it? Pole and flag. Looks like a huge one. Target of this bull flag on Ethereum would be the base of this pole. 5,200 would be the target on Ethereum. So I'm staying in my trades. You have to do your own due diligence. These are my trades. My account 900 this week. Roller coaster went from 924 down to 878, back to 920, back to 900 on the month. From 918 up to 960, down to 868, up to 972, down to 878, back to 920, and then back again to 900. So roller coaster. I'm in Ethereum, TON, and Bitcoin trades, and I've got more buy orders down. All the links for all of this, to learn all this down below. Bybit 60k bonus, main exchange, WeX KYC free worldwide exchange, and $200 on SoNup. Join the free Telegram. There's 9,000 traders. Take the courses. WeX is having a $2 million competition and a Bentley giveaway. Crazy prizes on WeX, and the WSOT is starting with Bybit. So click on that link. They have 3-point-something million in trading prizes for the WSOT, which is beautiful. That's my updates. My trades on WeX also activated. One Bitcoin trade. It's how big is it? It's a $20,000 trade. It activated 112,000 just now. It's slightly up, $56, and this one is, which activated 116, is down. My WeX trades are activating. Ethereum trade did not activate. Join us in the Telegram as well. There is 813 of you online. People discussing, sharing charts. Trump, a lot of pictures of Trump. Looks like descending wedge. Jesper saying forgot about the wicks over here. What do you mean, Jesper? Looks like an Adam and Eve pattern. People discussing Bitcoin going under 100. I don't think so, but possible. Yes, 59%, 49% saying under 110. Join everyone in there. That's my updates in the market. Hope you learned something from me. Don't copy me. You have to do your own due diligence. Try to understand what I'm doing and learn what I'm doing. I'm mainly buying Google right now. I'm trading the chop on crypto. I'm nearly all in cash except for a few altcoins and these trades that I have on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and TON, because we're high. The lows when I was buying at 17K 2 years ago, those were the lows. Now we're at the highs. So now I'm selling it and just trading the chop. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up button, turn on the bell. I like to acquire Nvidia, Google, Tesla, Bitcoin. When they're low right now, Google is low PE ratio with huge revenues. Tesla's high. P ratio is high. Nvidia's P ratio is high, but still good. I want to buy it as it comes down. Bitcoin is quite high, all-time highs. So I'm trading the chop. Love you all. Have an amazing day. This was a lot of information, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.